Hello everyone and welcome to our discussion on getting fit and healthy. Today, we will be exploring how to unleash your inner athlete and achieve your fitness goals. Our ebook, Unleash Your Inner Athlete, the step-by-step guide to getting fit and healthy, provides you with a comprehensive guide on how to get fit and healthy. We cover a range of topics, including strength training, cardio, nutrition, and mindset. Our guide is designed to help you unleash your inner athlete and achieve your fitness goals. We provide you with step-by-step guidance on how to create a workout plan that works for you, how to make healthy food choices, and how to develop the mindset of an athlete. With our ebook, you will learn how to build strength, improve your cardio, and achieve your fitness goals. We also provide you with tips on how to stay motivated and overcome any obstacles that may come your way. Remember, getting fit and healthy is not just about physical health, it's also about mental health. We are here to help you achieve both with our step-by-step guide to getting fit and healthy.